And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to survive the holidays. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. The holiday season is almost upon us, and while it's the most wonderful time of the year, it can also be one of the most stressful and depressing. Too much stress can not only affect your holiday cheer, but can also have a major impact on your health as well.
Now don't you fret, because this jolly old fat man's coming to town with 5 steps to help you thrive through the holidays.
Step 1. Keep your routines. Switching up your routines can add additional stress to your day.
So consider keeping your schedule as close to normal as you possibly can.
This includes working out at your normal time and attempting to stick to your regular diet. Step 2. Set realistic expectations. Many of us envision the perfect holiday and then get upset when it doesn't come to fruition. Minimize this frustration by trying to be a little more realistic and embrace the chaos.
Despite what you may have seen on the Hallmark channel, no one has the perfect holiday season.
Or the perfect family for that matter. Step 3. You can say no. Remember, this is your holiday too, so you don't have to feel obligated to do it all.
It's perfectly acceptable to decline a few invitations for your own mental sanity.
Step 4. Take time for yourself. Fighting off Black Friday shoppers, decorating, and wrapping can take its toll on you. It's important to remember to carve out a little time for yourself to recharge your batteries. Take a walk. Watch your favorite holiday movie. Or just spend some time alone to silence the holiday havoc. Step 5. Attitude of gratitude. Forget about what you don't have and concentrate on what you do. A roof over your head, food in your belly, and spending quality time with friends and family. That's truly what it's all about. Being grateful for what you do have can have a tremendous effect on your overall attitude and stress level.
Thanks for watching. The holiday season can certainly be a stressful time, but it doesn't have to be if you simply take a deep breath and allow yourself to get out of your own way. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who are stressing about the holidays. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well, and have a holly jolly season, everyone.